Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll show you how to build your very own website using Canva's simple tools. Click the Create button. Type website in the search bar, or choose website from the available options in the design section. This gives you two ways to start creating your website project quickly and easily within the platform. Next, select the website option from the available menu choices. In the template section, browse and select any style you prefer. Click on your chosen template to add it directly to your website design. Select the desired style by clicking on it. This will apply the chosen style to your current selection instantly. Here, you can view all your pages. Use the navigation panel to quickly switch between different page sections. Your design is now visible on the screen. Take a moment to review the layout and make sure everything appears as you intended. If you need to make changes, use the appropriate tools in the toolbar. Once satisfied, you're ready to proceed to the next step in your workflow. Edit the details as needed. You can also add new elements from the options on this side panel. Preview your changes here to ensure everything appears correctly before saving or publishing your work. To add your own photos, click the Upload button in the sidebar. Then, select Upload Files. Browse your computer to find the photos you want to use and select them. Your uploaded photos will appear in the library, ready for use. Edit your email and contact information here. You can update the email address, contact details, or website by clicking the relevant fields. Simply type your new information into these sections, just like you would with regular text. To add a URL link to your social media, highlight the text you want to turn into a link. Once the text is selected, click the link icon in the toolbar, then paste your social media URL into the field and confirm to insert the link. Press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. A field will appear where you can type or paste the website URL. Enter the website address in the provided box to create the link for your text. The button is now successfully linked. Whenever users click this button, it will perform the assigned action or navigate them directly to your intended destination or resource. Once you've finished your design, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, select the Download option. In the file type settings, choose PDF Standard for best quality. Finally, click the Download button to save your finished design as a PDF to your computer. Now you know how to create a website with Canva. Give it a try! If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick guides.